My name is Gustavo Abela. I'm co-inventor of 5D Hard technology, and it is a pleasure for me today to present the new 5D Hard color version. I will show you a 5D Hard color. This is the new release, and we believe it's a very important tool to complete the expert use of 5D Hard, because screening is a morphological assessment, so it doesn't require color. But as many experts are more interested in our technology in order to have peace of mind in having a second opinion in-house, we decided to include color to demonstrate problems as VSDs, valves, flows that are in opposed direction. Okay, so the process is the same. You mark aorta at the stomach, aorta at fourth chamber, the crux of the heart, then the valve, the SVC, and you conclude the exam by marking the transverse aorta. With this, you have 9 planes in color. Very simple. And what is interesting of this technology is that you have complete control of everything, starting from the original speed that you can, of course, reduce, and some post-processing in order to control the bleeding of the vessels, so to clean those images. For example, if there is a problem for chamber view, like a VSD or something like that, you can actually reduce the balance in order to keep a very nice, precise depicting of the wall. Okay? Same thing may happen in this LVOT, where you can see the valve. If you want to see the valve all the time, you, for instance, can enable transparency. And in transparent mode, you can see the structures within. They are visible all the time. Or you can adjust the balance or the sensitivity with color, the threshold, so to get the perfect depicting of the wall. We believe that busy practice with a very limited amount of time may be benefited by including 9 planes in a very short period of time that can increase the sensibility, specificity from the values that we have today, and decrease the false positive rate as well, because the correlation of the planes telling the same story is giving us a high degree of confidence. So, to your question, the screening device is one of the intentions, but with color, we are also helping expert users to demonstrate their findings or to have their own in-house second opinion.